Hi there, students. To confront, a verb, and a confrontation, the noun. Okay, if you have a difficult situation that you need to confront, you deal with it. You face or meet a problem or a difficulty face to face. So when the star came out of the courtroom, he was confronted by the television cameras. This is a difficult issue, and we need to confront it as soon as possible. Notice a confrontation. This can be an argument. So there was a confrontation between two drivers over a parking space. They were arguing about it. Yeah, you confront a problem. You meet or disagree with somebody who accuses you of something. Yeah. I had to confront my son about the fact that he wasn't doing his homework and he wasn't doing well at school. Okay, so to confront, to deal with something, to go and talk to somebody about something face to face. Yeah, to come to face with something, but particularly hostility or defiance. Yeah, to come up against. We were confronted by all sorts of difficulties during our journey. To confront, to engage in a confrontation. Yeah, there was a confrontation between supporters of the different teams. We have various obstacles that we need to confront and find a way to overcome him. They confronted him with evidence to prove that he was lying. Okay. So yes, we have an environmental crisis with global warming, and this is something that we all need to confront. We need to deal with this face to face. Okay, so my boss keeps promising me a pay rise, but he never does anything about it. He keeps fobbing me off with excuses, so I'm going to have to confront him about this. Yeah, to face hostility or defiance, or to bring a problem to light, to encounter or to bring someone face to face with something. We need to confront him about his addiction. Yeah, to confront. Okay, so a confrontation. We've got various different ways, but normally to confront, to say, hey, come here, we need to talk about this, or a confrontation, an argument. Yeah, if you confront somebody about something, it could well lead to a confrontation, yeah, an argument. But if you have problems in your life, you can't just run away from them. You need to confront them and deal with them as best you can. Yeah, so to confront an enemy, to oppose. Okay, to confront somebody with evidence, to show it. Yeah, to show the evidence to somebody, to confront somebody about something, to say to them directly, I don't like this, and I'm not going to beat around the bush any more. Maybe to beard a problem, to face something, to face a problem. Yeah, not to wimp out. Yeah, so yeah, in 1066, the Anglo-Saxons confronted the Normans at Hastings, and then unfortunately they lost the confrontation. Yeah, we're going to have to confront them about this. We're going to have to talk to them about this and tell them to stop doing it, because it's unacceptable. So there you go, to confront. Okay, I think this comes through French from medieval Latin, confrontare. Con, with, and frons, the forehead or the front. So I think you're meeting with the front of something. You are dealing with it. You're stopping it. And I think that's the idea. Oh, formality, to confront. A confrontation. I think it's slightly formal. I think I'm going to give it 6.5 in formality. You could use it informally. I think maybe have it out with. I need to confront him about this. I need to have it out with him about this. Probably better in a semi-formal conversation or a semi-formal writing, or even something very formal. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. To confront, a confrontation.